Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change your video resolution on iOS. First, you need to go to your settings, which should be on your home screen, but if you can't find it here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, write Settings, open them, then go to your camera, and here go to Record Video, let's say 4K at 60 FPS. You can also change your recording in slow motion, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really great if you subscribe to our channel, and bye.